Italy are into the Euro 2021 finals. Sensational performance by Italy only in the penalty shootout. Otherwise, Spain are just bossing and oozing the game. And that 18 years old midfielder, Pedri, his name is Pedri. He is better in his prime now. He's just starting. He's just oozing his confidence right now. He's better than Iniesta. Everyone is talking about him and comparing now to Iniesta already. Oh my goodness, what will happen? God only knows. And in the first half, nothing is here and there. And then Spanish player that Michael Oyarzabal. Oh my goodness, what he is playing, huh? Why you are not playing Adama Traore instead of him? Just sit, just bottled it every time. Cannot dribbling also, cannot shoot also, cannot head also. That easily chance. My goodness, what the fuck is he doing, huh? Just rattled it and bottled Spain. And I think Spain will win the game easily after he scored that header. And he cannot hit target also like this. No, what type of player he is now being? At Real Sociedad, my goodness, he is at his peak, at his high level. And in Spain, there are a lot of talents, and he's going down. And in second half, vast counter attack, huge counter attack, huge. Donnarumma to Barella, Lorenzo Insigne, the little magician. He's called magician. And through to Immobile. That pass was superb, but Immobile cannot hit the target. And he passed to Chiesa. Wow! Federico Chiesa, wow! Sensational hit. His dad also a great player now. Son also being a classic player. And he gives Italy the Azzurris are superb and fantastically hit by Federico Chiesa. His time. And blue paper lift. That's it. Italy and Chelsea, they are blues, and that's lift up, both from the blues, just getting. And from Luis Enrique point of view, nothing is gonna happen, and he changed his mind and bring super sub Alvaro Morata, and immediately he impacted. And Dani Olmo, that's another from Leipzig superstar. He is also getting a huge boost and just assisted to Morata. What a calm finish. What a superb and sexy finish that is. Superb. And the boys are just heading for extra time. And extra time, nothing is happening. And we go to penalties. And penalties, God only knows who will win. And the first time, step by Manuel Locatelli. And saved by Unai Simon. I don't know where this keeper plays for in the club, but I don't know why they cannot give a chance to David De Gea. He's just pathetic nowadays. And first shot, first save. And I think Spain have a huge chance. My goodness, that guy Dani Olmo has a terrific game after 120 minutes. He just blast. He just fly into the air. Don't know why he hit like that. And in the second shot, who is coming? Andrea Bellotti, just power, just hit it with bang. One, and Unai Simon goes same way but cannot save it because that was a lot of power from Bellotti. And Gerard Moreno, a classic for Villarreal, not showing in Euro 2021. And he also scored a little bit of terrific penalty spot. And in third, their second captain, Leonardo Bonucci. Super. No way Unai Simon can get, sorry. And in third step, who is from Spain? I think Alcantara. My goodness, what a cheeky and sexy penalty he has given. Sensational penalty. Just hop and skip. And Donnarumma just goes to right and just calm way. And in the fourth penalty shootout, that's Bonareschi. Just blast it into the net. Just rattle net. And guess who is there? Alvaro Morata. The king is back. When he score a goal, I think he will be a dangerous man. I think he will get a super sub and he will win the match and they will go to the finals. But he stayed to the Donnarumma hands in the right hand side and Donnarumma saved it. And it's going to be last penalty spot from Italy. And Its score is how many? Gerard Moreno scores 2, I think 2. 2-3 is win. And who step? That guy, Chelsea guys. Jorginho. Oh my goodness. Just playing like a kids. Just roll it into the net. Thiago Alcantara showing his class, but my goodness, that Jorginho penalty spot is just ridiculous. I don't know how he step like that in this biggest stage. Just smoothly into the round. Don't know why he's just stepping into the straight. You don't know, he never watched Chelsea game or what. Jorginho always do hop and skip, but he cannot judge anything and just rolls past, and Italy and Blues are into the finals. Just dominating Europe right now. 33 games unbeaten. Don't know what will happen. Who can stop them? I don't know. England cannot win this team. Cannot. Just coming. They are saying just it's coming home. Just shut up your mouth and listen to here. Keep in the brain or mind. It's coming to Rome. That's it.